Hey Beautyistic fam, welcome back to the channel. Let me start by saying, whether you're a spa professional, esthetician, or even someone who enjoys a bit of self-care at home, having a reliable massage table is key. Today, we're going to talk about the BestMassage portable massage table, a versatile, height-adjustable beauty and wellness tool that's made to cater to both professionals and at-home users alike. Now, when I first came across this table, I was immediately intrigued by the idea of having something both portable and sturdy. After all, many massage tables tend to prioritize either comfort or portability, but rarely both. So let's see how the BestMassage portable massage table holds up. Product overview. This table stands out for its high-quality design and construction. It features a 2-inch thick sponge that offers a firm yet comfortable surface. The base is crafted from high-grade beech wood reinforced with hardwood corner blocks, which makes it incredibly strong, capable of handling up to 450 pounds. So, whether you're giving a facial or a full-body massage, you can trust that this bed will provide a solid and reliable foundation. What I really appreciate is the height adjustability. The table's height can be easily modified between 24 inch and 34 inches, which is perfect for different body types or personal preferences. The height can be altered with simple adjustable knobs on each leg. This feature makes it especially convenient for professionals, as you can easily tweak the table height to suit your work style. I tested this out, and the adjustment process is smooth with no fiddling around. Real-world testing and usage. Now let's talk about the real-world use. I'm always a bit skeptical when it comes to portability, because let's face it, a lot of portable massage tables end up feeling flimsy. But the BestMassage portable massage table actually surprised me. At 26 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry easily, and it includes a durable carrying case for added convenience. Whether I was moving it from room to room or taking it outside for a quick massage session in the garden, I felt comfortable with its sturdiness. The PVC leather covering was soft and easy to clean, with none of that overpowering chemical smell that some other synthetic materials have. So when you're working with this table, you don't have to worry about lingering odors. As for comfort, let's be real. A good massage table needs to be comfortable for both the client and the person giving the massage. The 2-inch sponge on this table is firm enough to provide support, but still plush enough to ensure a relaxing experience. It's not too soft or too hard, which makes it suitable for a wide range of services, from foot massages to facials. Pros and cons. Let's break it down. Pros: portability. The table is lightweight at 26 pounds and easy to fold up and store. Perfect for on-the-go professionals or those who don't want a bulky fixture in their home. Height adjustability. With a range of 24 inch to 34 inches, it's simple to adapt to different tasks and preferences. Quality construction. The beech wood frame and reinforced corner blocks make this table incredibly sturdy, capable of holding up to 450 pounds. Comfortable design. The 2-inch thick sponge offers a great balance of firmness and comfort for various treatments. Cons. Limited customization. While the height is adjustable, there's no mention of specific headrest or armrest adjustments. Size. At 28 inches wide, it might not be ideal for clients who need a bit more space, especially for larger body types. Value for money. Now let's talk value. The BestMassage portable massage table comes in at a mid-range price point, but considering its solid construction, comfort, and portability, I'd say it's a pretty good deal. It's perfect for people who need a professional-level table without breaking the bank. When you think about the combination of comfort, adjustability, and durability, I'd say the price is justified. Comparisons. In comparison to other portable tables, many competitors either sacrifice comfort for portability or vice versa. A lot of tables in this price range are either too lightweight and flimsy or have poor cushioning. This one manages to strike a balance between both without compromising on either factor. While you could find cheaper tables, they might not offer the same stability or comfort, especially when it comes to long-term use. Build quality and longevity. As far as build quality goes, the BestMassage portable massage table is pretty impressive for its price. The beech wood construction and the solid locking mechanisms ensure that it will last through frequent use. The PVC leather covering doesn't just look nice, it's durable and easy to clean, which is crucial for professionals who work with oils and lotions. The 450-pound weight capacity is also a major plus, as it gives peace of mind when handling clients of different sizes. Customer support. I didn't need to reach out to customer support for this review, but I did look into their reputation. Based on customer feedback, it seems like they handle inquiries and issues promptly, which is always a good sign when buying products online. Product alternatives. If the BestMassage portable massage table feels a little above your budget, there are alternatives out there. One alternative worth considering is the Earthlight portable massage table, which offers similar comfort and portability, but at a slightly higher price point. If you're on a tighter budget, you might look into the Saloniture portable massage table, which offers decent features at a lower price. Final verdict. So, is this massage table worth your time? Overall, the BestMassage portable massage table is a solid choice for anyone looking for a functional, comfortable, and portable solution for at-home or professional use. It may not have all the bells and whistles of more premium models, but for its price point, it offers great value with a sturdy build, excellent comfort, and easy portability. I definitely recommend this to new massage professionals, estheticians, or anyone needing a reliable portable table without breaking the bank. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. End of video engagement. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out the BestMassage portable massage table, you can find the link in the description box or comments below. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.